Haba, things they solve for this country. Just listen to this.
What is happening in the nation, and some people are calling for resignation and whatsoever. And when I hear some of those things, I laugh. It's just as if you are calling a pregnant woman who has carried pregnancy from month 1 to month 7 because of discomfort to go and abort the pregnancy. Okay. So it's going to take a process. It is one after the other. For example, let's look at the electrical reform. Everybody knows that the administration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is known with electricity reform. For the first time in the nation, power generation has metamorphosed from what it used to be into about 5.5 megawatts, and we have capacity for 13.0 megawatts. That's the capacity we have on ground. So if we go through the process, you are going to find out with time we are going to get to where the president is going. Let me give you an instance. I was in my
wait.
Yes, sir.
Get your fact.
Yes.
You said 13 megawatts. Is that what you are saying?
That is the capacity that we have on ground.
Nigeria has 13 megawatts capacity. Installed capacity. Is that what you are saying? Get your facts right too, because Nigeria doesn't have 13 megawatts too. Check that book you are reading.
Okay.
Nigeria doesn't have 13.
Hello, sir. I can't hear you.
Nigeria has 13,000 megawatts, Prof. Nigeria has...
Oh, so sorry. sorry.
Okay.
So
get your facts
thank
right.
you for that.
I meant to say
get 13,000 megawatts.
So
that's a fact.
We are still coming.
13,000 megawatts.
Because you kept on saying 13 megawatts.
Yes. That is the capacity we have on ground.
Installed capacity.
13,000 megawatts.
We can argue that it's more than that. But Prof,
yes, that's the capacity that we have.
In the introduction...
You know the beautiful part of that conversation. Check the book. He said, check that book, guy. You know why it has turned out this way? Because we are now being governed in prose in this country. They are now governing us with all sort of arrangement, all sort of lies, paper, ChatGPT government. A government that once said that now statistics with the chop. A candidate that was boastful enough to say it's renewed hope, whether now statistics will chop. Suddenly, when they want to tell us where the country is moving forward, they need to use paper. They need to go to ChatGPT. They need to bring all sort of narrative. IMF, World Bank, anywhere. Now, as I talk to you now, if they write from hellfire that Nigeria's heat has reduced than what it used to be, Bola Ahmed Tinubu government will have it. They are seeking all sort of news, any award, any narrative, any support, anything. And idiot can just wake up somewhere in Sri Lanka and just do a chart and say growing economies in the world, and don't put, as long as there is Nigeria flag. No, they don't care to know the metrics. They don't care to know what they just do quickly. We are now being governed in prose. They are looking for all sort of ideas.
Download Find Them now so that you can upload your products and services, so that people go they buy from you steady. Finddamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
Gentlemen of the press, I, Adebayo Simon Adewale, the governorship candidate of Alliance People's Movement in Osun governorship election 2026, after deep reflection and extensive consultation with party leaders, supporters, and stakeholders, I have decided to withdraw from the Osun State governorship election. This decision is not born out of pressure or personal interest. Rather, it is a conscious choice to place the interests of Osun above personal ambition. Having carefully assessed the situation, I believe Governor Ademola deserves another term to consolidate the progress of his administration as recorded. Accordingly, I hereby declare my full support for the re-election of His Excellency Senator Ademola Jackson Nuruddin Adeleke, and I call all my supporters, members of Alliance People's Movement, and the good people of Osun to join me in supporting the election. This decision is about the future of Osun. Politics should always serve the people, and today I have chosen the path that I believe will best advance peace, stability, development, and the collective interest of our state. Thank you, and God bless Alliance People's Movement. God bless Osun State. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria.
and my working committee, they are all here. We have stepped down our support for Ademola Adeleke, and today we declare our support for Actor. Come on Saturday, all our club members and officials should go to the polling unit and vote for Actor. Vote for Actor. Vote for Actor. By the 15th of August, this year allowed by the grace of God, Actor will be voted as the elected governor of the state. Thank you.
Download Find Am now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
All right, so I made a post earlier, and for some reason, Iyabo Ojo responded by making a cryptic post. Even though I did not mention her name, but of course, she knows what is coming. They all know what is coming. I've taken my time. I've been taking my time and I've been following the case. They thought we slept on the case. No, I wanted to hold something tangible and have something tangible to put out there. But anyways, Iyabo Ojo, it will be exposed. Everybody will know what it is. But for now, Kikwanta de Hankalinki, because it is not about you, right? Now everybody don't start to talk about Peter Pisco and I don't move on. You people cannot move on. You can't move on. We'll come back to it again. Now we'll talk about it more. So let's start. First things first, Peter Okoye is a very, very intelligent man. Can't take that away from him. He's very good with his art. You see, he picked the right time to speak. Not just that. He met the right people. You see, I'll tell you something you don't know now. He picked the right time in what sense? Because his brothers cannot defend themselves. They're in court. If they speak, it is contempt to court. So when you say, oh, they should come and speak up for themselves, it's a lie. They can't. If they speak, they will revoke the bail of Jude because it is contempt to court. The law, am I lying?
Correct.
Correct. So it is contempt to court. So Peter picked the right time. But before Peter decided to speak, let me tell you what Peter did. Peter met very dark man. Told very dark man the story. I'm coming, listen. He told very dark man the story. Very dark man sympathized with him. I got emotional. I told Peter that I will make a video against Jude the next day. That's what I told him. I said, I'll make a video. Look at what they did to you, Peter. No. I'm surprised. I didn't tell all the story. I listened to some of the parts. The main part, Tokam, is it where he made me feel like Jude wants to sleep with Lola? Is it how he told me that there's a CCTV footage of Paul when Paul was sleeping with the house girl and his wife caught him? All those things he had said. Do you understand? All of them. I said, what kind of disgusting people are these? But there's one part he also omitted, where he told me that Jude will never have a male child. That he laid curse on his brother to never have a male child. And that because a male child is the pride of an Igbo man, he will never have the pride of an Igbo man. But eventually Jude gave birth. Then according to him, he said, well, I lifted the curse. But then again, you know where this nigga is good? He did not tell only very dark man. Only in this Abuja, Peter told at least 3 celebrities in this Abuja this same story one-on-one. In Lagos, he tell different people, he sat down with them one-on-one. Do you know why he did this? So that when it comes out, people with verified pages will support him. And therefore, they will emotionally work on you. Because you have seen people that you like support him. He met the people that have a strong platform. Told them the story one-on-one. He made sure he won their sympathy, won their conscience one-on-one. Then that was the perfect time to come and strike the story. You see, he's good. Like I said, he's very, very good. But you see, we are not going to let that happen because we are going to speak. If the country like, let it fall.
Download Find Am now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area, go to findamnow.com and search for it.